river come down still, but still I gotta try. See if we can get some. So mix some chicken feed and some flour. And that is the bait. So hopefully we can catch something. Yeah. Start knead up the flour with the chicken feed now. As I said before, that will be the bait. So, what type of fish you can catch? If we are going to catch any, by the way, but hope this works.
Big gear one back. Big gear one back, bro. There!
Yeah, people, so we're not catching no fish at this location, so we'll try a different location. Water heavy still, so probably that's why. Yeah, so this is where we end up. Now go on the river, so try if we catch 2 eel and stuff. Hopefully that works.
Fisherman!
See 2 seedling them here. Sit down and watch. Tell her. No, nah, go on nowhere. Through the whole parade. Nah, catch no fish, no eel, nothing at all. But still have hope, see me. Yeah man, this away this away Jordan catch one pebble. Is it? this can share for 2 ants.
Hello.
Tanisha there said, nah, catch no fish. No fish
I'm
at
so tired, I don't catch no fish from morning.
no fish, no eel. Nothing at all. Still I try to see me.
Yes.
What do you mean deep net? You know, see one crocodile pass a while ago, you do that?
I want big one big crocodile passing from time and man still stand up on the crocodile, so.
Well, then you say.
Next man have to say if he come out there, water can return back on him.
Babe,
Hmm?
look. I want a fish when I pick from there, look.
If see first eel here, get liquid with the eel stick. Yeah. So continuation from yesterday, we have to eat or catch yesterday.
You want time back, man? Can I
Soon take him.
yellow one.
Agree.
Agreed.
Yeah man, so we have eel. Some chicken buck.
We have some
And we have some tiki.
Yeah, sauce sprat. We have sprat. Yeah, that's a sprat.
Oh, and then we have something over here, so. Bad boy.
I want next bad boy in
Bad
our
boy,
water, yeah, so. We go in a pot looking for now, you know where
Yeah,
go.
this is a bad boy we catch
Yeah.
yesterday. Yeah. After we go crab bush, this is the only thing we catch. As we go crab bush. That's the only thing we come back with. One crab.
Next week we be back.
One crab, but we not dash him, you know. We will cook him.
Cook
I
him.
want big fish.
Good life, man.
And some tiki.
Ah, yeah. So that is it.
Good.
Yeah, people, so see? I'm gonna forget the grill today. Like in the previous episode. Yeah, so this are the grill. And see? And Power have him box around the corner, there's a string up, so we are go on whole a vibe same time. So we are clean up the meat, clean up the eel and the chicken back and stuff now. So yeah, people, so the place look now. Put in a little table and a little short stuff there, yeah, give problem. See, yeah? What? Fire down there, so this is the beginning. So we'll clean up some chicken back and stuff now. Like I said before. Yeah, so we have some easy spice, meat season. We have boiled chicken spice. And some Maggi, all purpose. Maggi chicken. Yeah. Oh, to a fry, we are fried, you know. Can't put too much season. I know them season your salt. Ah, yeah, man. Season your kind of salty still, so. Rub it in.
Oh, for sure.
Yes, so we have put some sand. Normally we don't use ash. We don't use ashes and stuff, but I have none of that. Rainfall and wash with every ash. So this can do the job just the same. So sand.
We get soap in it, it's gonna make it hard.
To get off all of the slime off of him and stuff. That's the only thing I don't like with eel. The whole heap of slime. Pure slime, man. Sweet though. You rotted when up, the slime when you sip on the rotted when you get it off, you know, brother. It's nice, man. You
Chip on the video,
they do like this now.
Original eel.
Every slime gone.
Say they don't give a bit of it, they want to see it.
And then you can just wash him off now. Alright, good.
Yeah, me I learn how to when we catch one, you know. You have to take your time with the skin tough still, you know.
Inside you have one.
Oh, I hold our skin out the car.
No man, you not take off his skin. Stop the video.
I don't know if you want anything from me to buy. If you buy anything, sir.
Oh.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
I can have this one and I decide to chop it up and walk with the bait and sell it.
Ah, idiot, man. Who you talking for?
What is that, Johnny? What is it?
No, Lil. Cut it there, father. Cut it there.
Originally. I go and wash off the eel. Lend me the.
He done.
Come on, you have to take up the back.
You have to wash it with vinegar, you know.
Yeah, man, you have to do that.
Yeah, man.
Code life. Code.
Yeah.
Code.
Go forward, father.
Yeah. Food I got sweet in the blacks.
Sorry, say they say Chenton, not the funny if I am a youth.
Yeah, my potato salad. Yeah. You can't go fit my take it by the 72.
I tell you boss, I want piece of Chenton should have on the grill.
Yeah, so we are seasoning up the eel now. Just to give him a little bit of every season. Not too much.
No.
Season making go on and
No.
soak up the season 3 times. No, I hit him last of the fry.
You need crab one.
You know crab? Oh yes, then when you come a crab bush and eat crab, brother. I found we got it.
I know what I have.
Eh? You know eat crab? Yeah, to me. Oh, I have allergic reaction to it. Oh yeah, me forgot. You see.
Me catch them, but me not eat them.
Anytime I catch them, I don't want them man, call me. Yo, brother. Yo. That's one thing me glad, you know. You know what me glad say? Me glad say me not have no allergic reaction to nothing, brother.
Oh.
Yeah, man, me glad, man. So you know what? Anything when you have allergic reaction.
You hear the tablet there, baby. You
No,
got
so
tablet
okay.
want to charge. Okay?
So here the chicken box style now. The chicken box a French fry. French fry, so we're gonna dip it in our flour.
What happened to the little
Dip it
shot?
in some flour and stuff, so season the flour.
Be a kind.
Alright, so dip it inside,
Okay.
soak up some flour and stuff. French fry. Yeah, put on the pot already. Or egg wash.
I'm not thinking of coming out for.
That me tell you.
Hey, how
This is the chicken back when I fry. When we learn the chicken back when I fry it, I have to put it down on this side. Yeah, man. You ever fry the back part first?
Yeah,
No
no
problem. Yeah, man, it will. So flick over.
Of course. That's alright.
If you do chicken back this way, man, you don't even know it's a chicken back. You think that's chicken.
Yeah.
Kentucky fried back.
Fried chicken. Oh, that's
Kentucky
that's
fried
a
back.
good life, man.
So you flip over it, no?
Chicken, guys, now we're going to flip over the chicken box on the other side.
Man, is it nice?
This one looks like it's going to put more on the other side, yeah?
You just let it see on the side.
I know what it's off.
Check out the view. So country pretty. Yeah, man. So country nice, man.
Country life.
Yeah, man.
Good life, man.
Bless up.
That is it.
One mafia done.
No other is mafia. One code. That is it.
Yeah, man. So look for him on TikTok too, you know. They say TikTok are one mafia done.
One mafia. I turbo one.
One mafia boss. Oh, one mafia boss. Yeah, man. So see today. So this we have beat today. Wait. A JB this are white rum?
Overproof rum.
Oh, white rum are chewing at the JB flask. Oh, yeah. So, Roy and nephew. And boom. He's not a boom man still, no, but not necessarily if you trace it today. So, this way I did. And look, some lovely Irish potato.
You weren't around.
Courtesy of my Bridging Banker. Yeah, man. Somewhere a while ago. Who? Oh, yeah, it's That's a Jardine catcher. This is a Jardine catch from yesterday. You said they cup blacks.
Alright, we are drink white rum and boom.
With
a fat ganja split. No joke.
straight,
That is it.
straight diesel.
You see me? Sour diesel.
Yeah, man. Sour diesel. Yeah, man. Good engine burn in the aisle, you know. Yeah,
That a code and we are run a fat to see it.
yeah, man. Two engine burn diesel.
You see me?
90 and 87.
We have pit smoke like a trailer muffler, man.
Yeah, man. Where's the power? We don't pit smoke still, but we don't pit smoke. We don't pit smoke, but we. Yeah, man. But we still burn the aisle, see me. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Up and running, man. See Toby checking here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See me?
Code.
Yeah, man. A family see me, you know, is it? Yeah, man.
put 2 steel knives.
Yeah man, so pour salt out some
Yeah, you know,
Irish.
so you gonna make like a mashed potato. You know, everything come down already. But there we have to peel them up and make sure say you know everything go on.
Yeah man, that I
Boy,
vibe
I'm
man.
like, yeah. We have to deal with them.
You look at kitchen, you look outside kitchen in the country are pretty brother. Yeah man. Yeah man, this is life man. This is life brother.
Yeah, so we're gonna get out this set of chicken now. Them are almost finished now. So they can come out right now. Alright, so we'll take them out now. See there? That is it guys. Nice and crispy.
Let me just look here. Okay. Yeah man, there's some eel we have on it. You see me? We have some eel and some chicken back and things the whole family here. Some of them run gun on the road for forward still, but you will see it in a video. So I don't in the country with them, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, enough respect brother. I'm glad to link up, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah sir. See what eel look like here? This is the eel. Tanisha over there so I do like something. How you do Tanisha? Oh, for escovitch. Power do some mashed potato. Yeah, man, that look good.
Yo, I'm mafia boss, do that, innit?
I see mafia boss over there, sir.
Code just don't pay so bad.
But if you look up this right now, Mother Nature want to do something more, so although we can't go stop it, so we just have to go do some readjustment. We just have to go do some readjustment. Move everything to another location if the rain comes. Yeah, man, but give thanks. Tune in.
I get cooking slowly. Look at that. Agad. The agad in the pot of cook nice and slow. Just a spin it up so it can evenly cook. And let it cover with the water.
Right now. You don't know that, you know? We not talk about done with no fooling. But you know say me a done we respect people.
Lead your ear.
Voila, now put that funny here. Now put that funny here.
So you have one, you know.
Take up back now. Take up.
Touch it down.
Touch it down.
You know say black boy, you know. In a place. Power in a place. Ricky in a place.
Checking guys, look at this nice pork.
Yeah, man.
Nice and crispy. Look at that guys.
Think rain can stop?
Yeah.
No, sir, rain not
And
stop
I say
it.
big up Ricky and family.
Yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our video. And we are keep it live.
Look at that guys.
Alright, babe. So this is inside the power shop, you know, sir. You just start doing things. Now finish. About 70% finish. That's Tanisha work up there and the vegetable for seasoning for put on the eel. Oh, you put it on the eel and the fish, right? Say go? Okay.
So sweet. Oh, that I make.
Yeah, man. Yo, bring back up the pot we put on this one. To fry the fish. See it here, baby.
The finished product of the eel, nice and crispy.
say again, big up
Yeah, man, see fish them are going, you know.
Island Adventure. J.A. Lady Tanisha put in the fish them.
Yeah, man, see fish them here and thing. Them are going. And poor just gone on with the chintan. See down there, sir? Float down there, sir. So that's how we eat our blanch, you know.
You. And with there, I go and live your life. You know.
Yeah, man.
So tell the people themselves to subscribe, you know. Street life, you know. As me say, adventure. So everything in it, you hear? Believe.
Oh, I fish them pretty boy.
And me say you can subscribe on the YouTube or TikTok. Island Adventure J.A.
Yes, I
See
see
it
crab here.
next shot. Dog, have a crab, man. Put it in there. Watch how I go on. Yes, man. Believe, man.
Jano, my Bexa one crab me catch last night. Oh God. One only crab. But watch out, I show you what deal with him. When I crucify him in a paper.
Alright, no, Tanisha, I'm going to say it. Final episode of SpongeBob, man. Mr. Crab, gone.
Mr. Crab dead.
Mr. Crab, no more Mr. Crab after today. That's why I'm alone with catch, because Mr. Crab this time.
I want to see a chop on the cock
cock
soup.
soup.
Yo, you see why dog got chop? Cock
Cock
soup.
and crab.
Oh man, cock and crab, I just say go.
Why? I want code left, man. One code. No other experience. Why not support? Code.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, man. See all our family, you know, man. Mother Nature decides, this we have to do.
Security guard gets tired. Why?
You know, stop with still. See Algeria over there, so asleep. Oh, I see single man here. Say, white woman. Eh? No, black say you're single. Black say you're single, you're a woman. But mother, apart from that, Mother Nature does that do go on the thing. So that's how we have to do it. Look there. I'll lick at them out of those here, man. Give thanks, man. You still have give thanks. Sir. Look for Mother Nature, Lord. Chenton here. So Paul, I will drop this on the grill now.
One more beer? Yeah, it drink good. It drink good now.
So improvise, you have to improvise through Mother Nature still, so. Just beer, it still have a taste good, see me. All he knows is funny, watch it. The only man on YouTube me say improvise like this a foul. Big up yourself, Paul. Big up yourself, brother. Yeah, man. Biggest Jamaica, biggest plate of food, bro. Yeah, man, so everybody here enjoy the food. See, all Johnny as well. All the music stop playing and still there and see me.
I know music not
See my big plate of food there? Watch it. If you look at say, you see all the hot nose. Master God. Listen, man. One mafia boss.
Again.
Oh.
We have chicken. No.
Oh.
Chicken back, fish, pork.
Eel.
Eel.
How you say, man? How you say? Yeah, man.
All crab, me not.
Yeah, man. We not touch the crab yet. Eh?
Me no want that crab.
Nah, man, you have to start crab in the night time, man. Look at man. I see the rest of the family doing this, so I do them things, see me. Still I go out a pot of food and see me. Yeah, man. I like that. I vibe that.
What?
Oh.
That is.
Believe, man.
Yeah, man, a power place with you.
Man.
Power place, see me?
Believe, man.
Big plate of food. You think I normal plate where you
Oh,
talk?
gosh, man.
Me put up a plate of
Right, a power place with you. Yeah, man, so a power vibe this evening, you understand?
Believe, man.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it. See all the monitor boxes, so? See video I go on now, we know get copyright, so we just lock that off your video so
Which one
everybody
from
can
Black
see.
Boy? And Black
Man, see
Boy,
all Johnny there
say
actually
my
down.
bad man.
How much?
Black man.
Hold on, me ask you a question. How much piece of meat?
No, you have
pork,
enough here. Me have this,
yeah,
that,
pork,
chicken back.
chicken back,
What is that?
eel,
Eel that.
and fish. We must have 4 different type of meat.
Mm.
Yeah, man. So give thanks, man. Bless
Bless
you.
you.
Man, with the halfway through, look. Me they are struggle with mine, you know.
Yo,
Black's not struggle with him.
nah, struggling that blood.
Nah, struggle, master.
No, not that bad.
So me the halfway right now.
Halfway with the brother.
I know me not touch the eel it.
We are testing
But me know you can't lose half a eel, master. Boy, people, look at this. Oh, God.
Wicked to whistle.
Wicked to sell, man. You sin, man. Oh,
After if
God.
the plate of food.
Ah,
You
pinipot.
seen.
Say crab in the
I crab there, I crab
Master.
there.
Look there.
Mr. Crab, no eat it.
Patrick Fred dead, man.
Alright. Right now, Mr. Crab. We shouldn't kill Mr. Crab. Cause look here. In there, there's a lie down right now. Can't eat everybody belly full. See, watch it. All queens there. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Take care.